Hi guys, this is my week to post for the discussion board, and for the website I chose the Food Network website, more specifically their recipes page. So if you just go to their main page, click on recipes, that's how we get here. Alright, so looking at my schema, as you can see, everything kind of leads back to this recipe lookup page, which is all right here. And I have these extra tables just to show like this isn't the only thing included in here, but I'm mostly going to be focusing on all of this good stuff. All right, so looking at this page, as you can see, recipe lookups. Wow, I can't speak today. All right, anyway, so we have different places that it leads to. First being back to school, then it feels like fall, then trending now. And these are a many to one relationship because the recipe lookups have a lot of things going on, and however, what they're linking to is an individual thing itself, if that makes sense. So for back to school, it has a primary key, and then it also links to the two categories within it. So if you look at back to school, we have kid-approved lunches and fill the cookie jar. And from there, you get a slideshow of all the different recipes. And so for its primary key, I just have the slideshow ID because all the recipes kind of filter into this one place. And then for the recipe, you would just right click it. You would get firstly, like, you would get the recipe, the person who created it, and that would have its own ID because since it's the Food Network channel, I'm sure there are many recipes of chicken noodle soup, but for the one specifically within Kid Approved Lunches, it would have its own ID, the recipe that goes with it, and the person who created it. In this case, it's Tyler Florence. For the chicken noodle soup, sorry. And then for chicken nuggets, it would be similar in that it too would have its own little ID, so that way you could get to the specific recipe, its recipe, and then the person who created it. In this case, it's the Food Network kitchen. So this is my schema. And sorry, these are just examples to show like there's more within that, but I'm just focusing on the one. So that's my video. Thanks, guys.